Good morning, Year 7. I hope you're having a great week so far. I can't believe that this time next week you will be in your maths assessment, and I cannot wait to see how you guys get on with that. We need to make sure we're putting ourselves in the best position possible to be successful in that assessment. So let's go through this Connect grid today as part of our revision. So looking at question number 1, we're doing 5 squared. Remember that means 5 times 5. If I'm doing 5 times 5, that's just 25. The next one, the square root of 121. That's a number multiplied by itself is 121. Well, I know that 10 times 10 is 100. So let's go one bigger. 11 times 11 is 121. So the square root of 121 is 11. Next one, I need to do 1 squared. Well, 1 times 1 is 1 plus the square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8, so my answer, 1 plus 8, is 9. Next one, filling in the blanks to make this calculation correct. Well, you've got to think 2 plus something would actually give you an answer of 10. That's how we get a 0 at the end there. So that must be 8. Then 3 plus the 1, that's 4 plus another 1 is 50. 32 plus 18 is 50. I know that is correct. Next one, a 3-digit number is rounded to 380 to the nearest 10. Well, consider that would be 380 in the middle. The next 10 down would be 370. 10 up would be 390. It's going to be in between those two parts. So it could be 375. But it couldn't be 374 because that would round down to 370. So it could be 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, obviously 380. It could also be bigger though, going towards 390. So it could be 381, 382, 383, 384. However, it can't be 385 because that would round up to 390. Next one, a little bit of adding fractions. We know we need there to be a common denominator. 3 and 15 have a lowest common denominator of 15. So I'm going to rewrite 2/3 as something over 15. My multiplier is times 5. So I've got 10 over 15. So it's 10 over 15 plus 7 over 15, which gives me 17 over 15. But it wants my answer as a mixed number. So I do 15s into 17 go once, with 2 over 15 left over. Next one, the number of lines of symmetry in this regular polygon. Okay, this is a topic we're going to be going on to over the next couple of weeks. But I've put in this quite basic question just so you could have a little go at it. I know that symmetry is something that you did in primary school. I just want to see how you can get on. So symmetry, we're saying it's these mirror lines. So if I was to cut the shape there, that is those two sides are symmetrical. But I could also turn my page and cut the shape there. I could turn my page again and cut the shape there. I could turn my page again and cut the shape there. They'd both be symmetrical. So how many lines of symmetry do I have? Well, it's how many cuts I did. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. Okay? So those 4 lines of symmetry would be the number of lines of symmetry for this regular polygon. Just so you can check, you think how many sides does this regular polygon have? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Therefore, it must be an octagon. Okay? Octagon. Final question, I need to do a little bit of bus stop division. 534 divided by 6. 6's into 5 don't go, so I do 6's into 53. Well, 6 times 8 is 48, so then I've got 5 left over. 6's into 54 go exactly 9 times, so my answer is 89. Okay, Year 7, that's it for your Connect grid for today. Good luck with your revision this morning on algebra, and I cannot wait to see how you get on next week. Speak to you soon.